Hey y'all, it's Perrin here. Today I'm going to be doing a sunset tropical look, and the first shade I'm going in with is this hot pink color, and I'm placing that right under my brow in packing motions. Then I'm going in with this blending brush and blending that out. Now I'm going in with this purple shade, and I'm going to place that right in my crease to start the transition shade into this sunset look I'm going for. And I look crazy right now, but as I continue to blend, it's going to look better, I promise. Now I'm going in with this blue shade, and I'm going to place that right in between the purple color. This color is going to build up yet another transition, and you're going to see my vision towards this look. Now I'm going in with this tealish color, and I'm placing that on my lid with my finger because I noticed that I can get a better pigmentation with my finger instead of the brush. So yeah. And that completes this video. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.